Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Are you part of a maintenance or operations team looking to maximize your productivity and efficiency? Then you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve into the world of computerized maintenance management systems, a tool that can truly revolutionize your facility management. However, a shocking 70% of new computerized maintenance management system projects fail to launch. In this video, we'll guide you through 14 steps to ensure successful computerized maintenance management system implementation and help you avoid the common pitfalls. Stick around till the end for some invaluable tips. Implementing a computerized maintenance management system can be a game changer for your facility, but it's not always a walk in the park. Over 70% of new computerized maintenance management system projects fail to launch, according to a survey by UpKeep. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through 14 steps to ensure a successful computerized maintenance management system implementation. Before you even start looking at software, you need to do some groundwork. It's tempting to jump right into the first attractive computerized maintenance management system you find. But trust us, a solid plan will save you a lot of time and money down the road. Firstly, scope out the project. What are your goals? What do you want to track? Which areas need this implementation the most? What features are necessary for maximum uptime? And crucially, how much money is allocated for this project? Be realistic about costs and timeline. Secondly, choose your computerized maintenance management system wisely. Don't just go off one person's recommendation or the first search result. Look at a range of different products to figure out which ones offer the functionality you need. Thirdly, get stakeholders involved. Everyone involved in the decision-making process needs to be on board. Managers, maintenance teams, and other key stakeholders should be aware of new developments. Next, we move on to the actual implementation. This is not as simple as installing software and configuring it. The fourth step is to have a dedicated migration team. Migration can be difficult or easy depending on the level of initial effort. At UpKeep, we even offer data migration services to larger organizations that want to port data over from previous maintenance software. The fifth step is to meet with teams regularly. Plan a realistic kickoff date and make sure every involved team is aware of that date. These check-ins are vital to making sure that there's always a finger to the computerized maintenance management system's pulse. The sixth step is to implement incrementally. Adopting a computerized maintenance management system has a learning curve for everyone involved, not just for the employees submitting work orders. It can be helpful to start the computerized maintenance management system in one area to demonstrate its worth before rolling it out to the rest of the company. The seventh step is to get trained. Figure out which documentation needs exist and fill those needs. If the vendor offers training services, use them. Now you've implemented your computerized maintenance management system, but the job isn't over. A computerized maintenance management system, like any other piece of equipment, needs maintenance, supervision, and repairs when necessary. The eighth step is to utilize the data from the computerized maintenance management system. Plan to use the data you gather to improve maintenance efforts and productivity within the entire facility. The ninth step is to improve maintenance scheduling. Use the data gathered to improve preventive or predictive maintenance schedules. The 10th step is to track budgets. Use the computerized maintenance management system to figure out where the organization's budget is going awry by tracking vendor costs, parts costs, and overtime. Throughout this whole process, lean on your computerized maintenance management system vendor to help you. Have them perform product demonstrations, get their help with data migration, and ask them for ways to use the data you've collected. However, it's also important to be aware of common ways that an implementation can fail. There are 4 really huge ways to mess up a computerized maintenance management system implementation. Firstly, lack of planning. A computerized maintenance management system by itself won't fix maintenance problems that plague a facility. You need to create an action plan that includes what kinds of data you want to track, what kind of functionality you need, what kind of budget you have, and stakeholder approvals and buy-in. Secondly, implementation mishaps. There's more to this than installing the software and starting work orders. Communication, testing, and planning are still super important parts of the computerized maintenance management system implementation process. Thirdly, little to no computerized maintenance management system training. Continuous training is incredibly important, especially if a computerized maintenance management system receives updates for new features. Lastly, inputting low-quality data into the computerized maintenance management system. If you put in garbage data, you get garbage data out. Maintenance teams need to understand what kinds of data they need to input. By following these steps and avoiding the most common implementation failures, you'll join the 30% of companies that are successful in implementing a computerized maintenance management system. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the steps to successful computerized maintenance management system implementation and how to avoid common pitfalls. Remember, planning, choosing the right software, involving stakeholders, and continuous training are key. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you maximize your productivity and efficiency.